Hey Violet, what are we doing today?
Going camping.
Going camping. Until when?
Till Sunday.
Sunday. So we're gonna go 2 days camping?
Friday.
Yeah, it's Friday. Right?
Yeah.
So are we gonna have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Can I do a cartwheel?
Well, we are here. Let's take a walk really quick.
I got a wedgie.
What?
I got a wedgie.
What the heck does that mean?
It's when your underwear goes up your butt.
Okay. Too much information, please.
Say TMI.
TMI? Honey, those are like a young people's language.
Yeah, you're very old.
So I have no idea what's in here. Do you know what's in here? What are we gonna do here? What? Bye?
Our truck charges without being on.
What are you eating?
Chili and chips.
Done.
What is it?
Chili and Cheetos.
Yeah, I guess it's a camping, popular camping food.
Yes.
I've never had it before.
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Okay. I like it too, actually. Okay, go. Yeah, ready.
My
Jump.
kids are so tired of it.
Oh, look.
That's a pretty cool path there, coming into the beach. Nice woods. There's a beach right there. And there's a lake. I don't know the lake's name at this point. And my daughter went all the way down already. And there's a pier. I don't know if you can fish there. Probably not. Public beach. It's pretty cool.
I got something for you. Wanna know what it is? Honey, I wanna go swimming. Sandball!
Whoa!
I'll go get another one. Get away from the wave!
It goes all the way out. I guess I could fish there. I should have brought my fishing rod. And it's a beach. Probably artificial beach.
Okay, I have my phone. The heck?
Sleep.
I'm trying.
Are you?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yes.
You're awake.
Cause you have a camera light on me.
Sleep.
Okay, I will. Stop the light.
Oh, there. So I didn't really get to film the path yesterday. So I'm gonna get to the beach from here. I don't know where Violet went. Oh, there they are. and I'm in charge of breakfast today. I have to make a French toast. I brought everything else but milk. There's a little neat secret path kind of stuff going on in there. I'm gonna go in there. Was kind of started out really hot night and became a little chill, so had to close the tent window thingy and keep it a little warm. See, it's going out here like literally a shortcut. I believe it's also a parking spot. I saw some cars parked. It's kind of weird. I mean, you can see houses right next to this park. Like some camping spot is right next to houses. And usually you can come here for a picnic, but the fire is, the camping fire thing, charcoal barbecue thing is all banned at this point. It's gonna be hot today too, and supposedly it's gonna go down to 78 tomorrow, so upper 70s. That's pretty normal for here. The smoke was bad yesterday, but it's got a little better this morning. Like we came down from here yesterday. And here is the lake, I think. I taped yesterday. There are some people fishing. I wanna see if they caught some fish or not. So I taped yesterday, so there's no point of taping here for now. So I'm gonna stop right here. Here's Lake of the View right here. I just had a chat with those nice fishing people. Had a little small perch.
Okay, that's right. Just keep it on
Alright, so I'm walking in the other side on the path. Pretty nice developed shady spot here. I don't really think I would find any orchids or anything like that, but oh well. And here we go. We're back here. Pretty neat. Next time I'm gonna bring fishing rod Doesn't have to be camping day, I guess. It's only half-hour drive. All right.
Okay, so that's 3, right?
Yeah.
So
What are you doing?
I'm splitting it.
You can't split
Yeah, you
if you
can.
already have. You're playing a different way.
You can split your hands.
Well, yeah, but only if you. So if you have like a 2 on this hand and no hand, then yeah, you can get a 1. Or if you have a 4 on this hand, you can get 2 2s.
Okay, wait, now what was I at? I was at 1 here and 4 here.
No, and then
And you just hit me with
the
3.
Back, you know how you get damp from the
So that's
shower.
gonna be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh, I don't want to do that.
So you have a 4
Like, what in
and a
the
4.
world? I'm like, I'm hurting today.
Because I hit this
I don't know
hand.
if I like that.
That's how this
Is
goes.
it? Whose turn is it now? Mine? Yours.
I'm hurting. I need
Or you
to
can
bottom.
split when it's even.
Not out.
Yeah, that's 3 fingers.
Yeah, but you have to be at perfectly 5.
what
So
was
if you
gonna
had a
be
4
is
on this
you
hand
have
and you were hit with a 3, it becomes a 2.
I don't really have a choice.
Because it's 7 minus 5 equals 2. You
You
play a very different
bones.
way. So it's a 2 and a 4.
But I'm alive. I'm somewhat healthy, so it's okay. Got my
Okay.
blessings.
My
it's
turn,
your
right?
Yeah. Why
I
would, you,
tried.
why would you kill me? Okay.
I feel like
I just,
Killing
there's
Get her.
Can you just crack this and like reset it and put
2
me
and
in
3
a
is
cast?
5, 6. Oh.
Yeah.
That hand's finally out.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
No,
Oh, wait, that's not how that works.
And then what do you and then you have a 4.
So you can split that if you want. Or
And
That's not how that works either.
I don't know
This is
if
gonna
people
not
notice it.
work.
He
What do you
usually just
mean?
looks like
This is
one of
not
those
how
really
this
tall
works.
people that
Now I
doesn't
have
stand up
1.
straight.
yeah.
But I know, so like I can see like the one she's
That's how I was for a long time.
and,
So you have to split so
said
that you
not
can
really
get
anything
somewhere,
that-
or else you're just gonna.
Okay,
keep
wait,
doing
so I'm at 4, so
2
2.
2.
But it
Yep.
does suck because
What?
sometimes like we're going on a hike or if we're
Oh,
camping.
it's so cute.
5.
And it's gone.
What about physical therapy to help those muscles relax that are?
I mean, you're out,
muscle
Why
would you
like that
split
too,
that?
and
No,
Could've
you,
killed her.
yeah, you
Oh,
could have killed her.
never mind, I
Yeah.
take that back.
There
Bye.
you go.
You're doing
You're
it.
done. You can call your dad. Dada. That's how the name is.
I'm very wrinkled.
How's the water, Violet? Violet, how's the water?
I think I see sand shark.
Sand, it's not sand though.
You're hurting me. You're killing me. You're gonna kill your sister.
Daddy, are there lake sharks?
What?
Are there lake sharks?
Yeah, lots of lake sharks.
You're lying.
No, we're not. We're not. They're not. They're actually. That's why they're called lake sharks.
I can't, bro.
Yeah.
Violet,
24 hours.
what are you doing?
I'm becoming a mermaid.
Are you?
Apparently.
Oh, see some skin.
Oh, there you are.
Daddy, look your hand.
Violet,
Yeah? Goodbye.
goodbye.
I just told my dad goodbye. I'm like, goodbye. They're ahead of us. Get out of the way.
Hey, Violet, what are you eating?
Hamburger.
Hamburger? What you in there? What you put in there?
Mustard, tomato, lettuce, and hamburger, and ketchup.
Okay. Show me your shirt. Camp Crew 2021. There you go.
Oh, they gave me a napkin for a specific reason.
Is it good? Good burger?
Ellie, when you put some little gifts, and these little gifts
were something that you gave to each of your sisters, and it was something that represented you, something that was special to you for whatever reason. So after you guys get your gift bags, and we're going to go around, and you guys each get to tell what you gave and why you gave it, what it means to you.
Dun, dun, dun.
Good? Okay.
Don't
So don't look in your bag till everybody has. No peeking in your bags till everybody has a bag. Okay?
What?
There's
So
plenty
see if
of
we gotta close
plenty
your
of
eyes.
witnesses here.
No cheating.
I'm closing.
Plenty
Close
of
your eyes as soon as
witnesses.
you get your
Okay,
bag.
I'm closing. What if someone opens the and they find out
We're all good. Or are you gonna hand it?
Oh, that's not for you. That's not for you. There's nothing.
I got like these little good luck charm kitties because they're Japanese and I'm Japanese and also I'm good and also yeah.
If mom
What you got in there?
A lot of things.
A lot of things.
says no, listen to
Yeah, I know. I can't hear what you're saying.
what mom say. Put it away. Emma,
Dad, can I eat candy?
we don't argue with mom.
Can I eat candy? What kind of name
Yeah.
I got?
Later.
I'm gonna try
Every
this.
side.
I don't know. But look at it. Like. Ooh, I like the plant candle I got. Look.
Oh, you want to see mine? Mine's different.
Oh, that's cute. Who scented these? I did that one. Thank you.
Ankle bracelets are so cool. I love them.
Is it even gonna
Ooh, that's so cute. That's so cute.
I'm just gonna wear it. I'm just gonna wear it. I want this.
Okay.
Don't steal.
Is that it?
Look at it. That's not all candy. Violet.
If you get the bracelet with that says a V and it's really small, don't worry, they're really stretchy and it fits on me. It's super small though, but it fits.
You like that candy?
I have an anchor.
Are these the anklets?
I have a heart.
What you get?
I have a heart. Candy bracelet. I have a heart.
These are, oh yeah.
Little arrows.
What did you get?
I got an anchor.
I want to see what it is. I can't see it. Can I see it? Oh wait. I want to see what I got. I'm not going to show you mine.
Look, I got an anchor.
Oh, look at how cute mine is.
Yeah.
Anchors are cool.
Look at how cute the one that
I like
is
mine.
so pretty.
Can I put this on?
The color of this is so pretty. Look at these.
What you got there, Violet?
A Sour Patch Kid.
Sour Patch?
Be very careful.
Yours should be pretty ready, Ev.
Is it really hot? Yeah.
Is it good? Is it better?
It's melty.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
That's why we do it every year.
Huh.
Especially Swedish fish. It's amazing in a
I've
fire.
never had that before.
That sounded so.
It's amazing.
It's like trying to brighten the picture. That's not what I want.
What?
7:30.
Good. And
Last day of camping. You ready to go home?
no.
No? Did you have fun?
These mattresses are very uncomfortable.
Hmm?
These mattresses are very uncomfortable.
Well, that's why you're supposed to put or wear the sleeping bag. This is not a bed. Did you know that?
No.
What you eating?
Yogurt bowl.
Yogurt bowl? That's your breakfast?
Yeah.
What are you putting on?
Strawberries, bananas, strawberries, stuff.
You like
Stuff
yogurt
that's
bowl?
edible. Mine.
Ooh,
I just made it, man.
nice. What is that white thing? Is that a cream? Whipped cream?
No, it's yogurt.
Oh, it's yogurt too?
Yeah, and I got honey on it. Where's the fork?
You like yogurt
There's
bowl?
spoons at the other end.
I didn't know.
Mom, take a photo of this.
You spend all the time making it pretty and then you just mix it up.
I got a photo. Gosh, Amy, do you even know me?
Are you making a line?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm making it pretty.
And you're gonna mix all up when you're eating?
Yep.
No? You're not? Okay.
I made Evie's and then she ate all the fruit, so I just ate all the yogurt. She's like,
Well, enjoy your yogurt bowl.
I'll make you one with no honey, and then I'll go make me another one.
This first. You see me? You see you?
Yeah,
Okay. So what did you think of a camping?
it was fun.
Was fun? Did you have a lot of plays?
Yeah,
You want to do it again?
yeah,
At the same camp?
yeah.
Oh yeah? So maybe next year, huh? Again?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you for watching, everybody.